In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact list in Microsoft Outlook. If you regularly email the same group of people, creating a contact list can save you a lot of time. Instead of adding each person one by one every time you send a message, you can build a list once and reuse it whenever you need it. It's a simple feature, but it makes group communication much more efficient. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This is the main mail view, and from here you'll be able to access the section where your contacts and lists are managed. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the left-hand column and click on the people icon. This takes you away from your email messages and into the contacts area of Outlook, where you can manage individual contacts as well as contact groups. After that, click on your contact lists. This section is specifically for saved groups of contacts, so if you want to organize people for team updates, project emails, or recurring announcements, this is the place to do it. Now click on Create Contact List. This opens the setup window where you'll enter the details for your new list. In the contact list name field, type the name you want to use. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, since this is the name you'll use later when addressing emails. A descriptive name can help you avoid confusion if you end up creating multiple lists. Next, click into the description field and add a description. This part is optional in many cases, but it can be very helpful. For example, you might use it to note the purpose of the list or who should be included. Keeping descriptions clear makes future updates easier, especially if you manage several groups. Then click into the recipients field and add the people you want included in the list. As you type, Outlook may suggest existing contacts, which can speed things up and help prevent mistakes. Take a moment to confirm you've added the correct recipients before moving on, since the usefulness of the list depends on having the right people in it. Finally, click Create. Outlook will save your new contact list and it will be ready to use the next time you compose an email. You'll be able to select the list instead of entering each recipient manually, which makes sending messages to a group much faster and more consistent. And that's how to create a contact list in Microsoft Outlook. Once you've set it up, managing repeated communication becomes much easier.